Did they tell you to come left?
I've been sending you back out. What's the matter? Why? Well, that's the communication that I've been given all morning.
Need to go back to the main gate. I send them to the main gate and they say they...
What is it? Is it Honda Civic?
No. We're gonna take the 3.2 V6 Audi A3 to Europe's biggest Japanese car show on a club stand today. We've got the car ready, we're filling up petrol. 2 days before this, we had to finish the underbody of the V6 A3, which required wax oil protection and reinstalling the arch covers, the under tray and the wheels. Under tray's on, let's get the wheels on next. We can get this off the lift. Now that the V6 is completed, we need to get it out ready for the car show tomorrow at Japfest. We need to get this Audi A4 out, or Sora out. Exhaust leak. Now start it up nicely. Gosh, it sounds so good. It's ready. After all that hard work, the V6 is ready for the PLV drive that you guys have been waiting for. Back to the journey to Japfest. Come with us, guys. Such a good car, can't believe it. And one of you guys are gonna win it for only £2. Grab those tickets. We're almost halfway now. Oh yeah. Okay, that's it. No more now, no more. Goodbye, sucker. Right, you're all good, yeah? I'll put it on top of the plate. Okay, the anxiety is building up. Okay, we're entering. Hello, you right?
Hello, yeah, you want to go around the roundabout and keep going straight.
Is this for the club stand?
Yeah.
Yep, right, cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, one more. Right. He looks like he might know about the car. You okay, boss? Yeah. Right. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Skylines and everything. Which way do we go? Wow. You go that way? Say left. Wow, mad. We've made it in. Club stand.
Good question. Beck, have you got your map, please?
We came here last time. We always got confused on where we would have to go. It's like a deja vu.
Did they tell you to come left at the gate?
Turn left, yeah.
So they must. I'm assuming it must be one of these around here then.
Do we turn them back around?
All the clubs around the back of the grandstand. So these are all the clubs around the back of this grandstand. So if you follow the road, bear around to your right hand side, you'll see them.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you.
Why have you covered up your logo?
It's just the aerodynamics. Learner driver. Wow. Within the Jap car community in a German car.
Follow it round.
Yeah.
And you'll find your car park round that way.
Well, how do we get to this? So many people. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay then. Thank you, man.
Car park 50. We've been sending you back out. What's the matter? Why? Well, no, why? Well, that's the communication that I've been given all morning. Not at the moment, no. You're very welcome to park in here.
So spin around. That's why you couldn't get tickets for Japfest, because they bought containers for people to live in. Containers, more and more. Double garage for each person. They want to become billionaires. Trying to get to B.
You're part of Japfest. You need to go back to the main gate, guys.
Yep. Okay.
Up to the roundabout.
Yeah.
Take a right.
Yeah.
Next roundabout, take a right, and then you go up to the main gate.
The other workers without a walkie-talkie just kept telling us to go around here. The people without walkie-talkies.
They're telling us to go where?
We drove around the whole outer circuit and we came here trying to find this, and all the workers have been telling us to come here.
And it wasn't just us.
I send them to the main gate and they say they are turned away over.
That's the most help we had. Thank you.
Super. As I mentioned before.
What is it? Is it a Honda Civic?
No, it's just a black car.
I'm aware, he is aware of that. I'll send him your way and hopefully he will have the right documentation over.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Hope
Thank you.
it works out.
Really, he'll work out, hopefully. Oh, that's tricky that was. He goes, it's what car is it? Doesn't it? It says 14, that is. We need to make that. Excuse me people. Excuse me, ghost tap car. Thank you very much. Wow, that is so sick. Initial D.
Here we are.
Oh, we found it. Look, a hood stick stand, you know.
One spot for us.
All club stands, every person's got a Jap car. So let's go see what Jap cars are about. Follow me, guys. We've got one of these on the channel. We are going to document it and tell you guys how we got it in the first place. Stay tuned. There's actually so many people in the car show. I'll be honest, the car show was not the same than it was before, and the level of cars have dropped, and it was just a repeat, nothing any better, so we decided to leave as there was much more fun outside the show. That chaser was fast. It's definitely a 1JZ manual. No way was he beating this. No way. That's fast. Huh? You drive shaft. I can hear it. Top shaft. Yeah, top shaft. Does it still drive good though? It's probably gone loose. Take it easy. He gave me the gaffaroni that I didn't order. Is that a Supra? Alright guys, behind me is the Audi A3 3.2 V6 Beast. One of you guys can win this on raffle for £2. Yes, £2 and you can win this beast of a car. I wanted to keep it as a project car, but now it's time to give back to you guys, the subscribers. So we're gonna go POV driving a Tesla S model. No joke, man. Oh, mad! Did you just see that? Wow. Whoa, look at that. The whole roof is glass.
Ready, yeah?
Yeah. Whoa, holy. Oh my god. Yo, man. Yeah, my head was spinning then. Jeez, bro, that is crazy.
Ready, yeah?
Yeah, go ahead, bro. Wow! Jeez. Oh, chill. That is mad, bro. Wow, that is fast.
Free Palestine.
How much brake is this?
There's a plate. I think it's 1,000 brake, I think.
Bloody hell.
Do you want to ride in it?
Yeah.
Boys,
Come back.
Okay, you ready, yeah?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro.
Ready?
Yeah. Yo, did you guys feel that head pressure? Did you feel the head pressure?
I can feel the organs.
Did you feel that, bro? Oh my days. Did you feel that?
How much torque has this got?
I don't know. You guys ready?
Yeah.
This is a rocket, man.
That is fast, man. My head is spinning right now, you know.
Bro, that is mad.
That is the fastest car I've been in.
That is crazy, bro. I know, man. That is too fast, bro.
1,000 brake, yeah.
Oh, that is like.
Was it?
And it's smooth as well.
I know, man.
It's literally like a ride, bro.
I can't explain the feeling that I get. Yeah, it's like a pain. Like my whole body goes.
Oh, watch out. Yo! Talk about getting put in your seat. That's some beast, bro. That's some beast car.
Take it, bro.
Yo, respect, bro. That's mental, bro. Mental.
We're raising for Palestine. Human Welfare Trust. Car Wash Palestine. Got everything set up at the front. See how much money we've raised for Palestine. Appreciate everybody watching the video. That second gear is mad. How are you being the passenger at the back? Love the seats though. MashaAllah, that is mad. What clutch have you got in this?
Always geeking template.
How many times did you launch it, bro? Man, no issues.
Few times.
That is mad, bro. I am shocked beyond words. I can't get enough of the sound, bro.
The sound is excellent.
Yeah. Did you get the car tuned by it?
RB Motorsport.
RB
Yeah, they've done
Motorsport.
everything.
So full engine build,
Yeah.
RB26.
Rebuilt the gearbox as well, put a new clutch in, everything.
Stock gearbox, obviously stock
Stock,
diffs, because they can all handle around
Yeah,
the brake.
Cams and my back.
Bro, thank you very much.
No
That is
problem.
fun now, bro.
Okay.
I got no chance with you with this, man. No problem. So, man, take care, man. Okay, so we're in a Evo 7, 400 brake horsepower, mashallah. Oh, so Evo 9 turbo, 272 cams, standard injectors, edge case induction. Very clean car though, very clean. That's where I had all the rust come out, all of this.
Yeah.
And the other one. Wow, you picked up a mashallah really clean one. No, I do miss, I can't wait for my one to be on the road. What rims are these? Rotors. Stock brake pads. My most favourite thing is the interior, man. You bought it like that as well, the interior. Mad. Look at that. That is sick interior, that is. Beautiful. Straight pipe exhaust. All the way to the back. The sachet wheels are pretty clean in this one. Pretty good. This is what you call a nice example of bad boy Evo. Definitely K series. Sunroof as well. That's a rare thing in an Evo. Evo with a sunroof, that's the smart.
You want if you sit in the back so comfy?
Yeah. I feel proper comfy in the back now. That's the interior in the Evo.
Yeah, it's like the gear change on these like a sniper.
Yeah. Weird man for a 5-speed one though.
Yeah. Just so precise.
Look at the
But these are all about the handling. It's not.
Yeah.
When it comes to
left and right.
Yeah, it's more about the handling and the bends with these cars. With the like Subarus, they're more, you know.
No, I know.
They're just punchier, yeah. But these are more like linear when the power comes in, and it's more for the bends.
I can tell like this 60 miles per hour in Benz, you can no problem. I appreciate that, bro. That was mad. Appreciate everybody that came to the charity car wash and donated generously. It wasn't an easy thing to do in the month of Ramadan, but we got there in the end. I haven't fully counted it yet, but over £1,000 just in 2 days, which is a big thing. I just want to say thank you very much for everybody for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, smash that like button, drop a comment down below what you think, and if you want to win this 3.2 V6, the link is down below for £2. So in the next video we're going to do more POV drives of the 3.2 V6, more verses and more mods to this car. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you, and also don't forget, because it's the end of Ramadan, Eid Mubarak, so take care, peace.